Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be showcasing you how to quickly put your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra in a silent mode. So let's get started. Now if you don't want your phone to be making noise, you can simply swipe down and look for the silent mode icon, and this is it right here. Okay, so this is a new placement of the icon. It's normally used to be somewhere here in this area, but now it's been moved here and you might miss it. Okay, so currently we have tones for messages and incoming calls enabled. If you want to tap it once, that is vibration icon. So that means your phone is going to vibrate for the incoming calls and notifications. And if you tap on it again, it cancels even the vibration. So no sound, no vibration, and you can tap on it again, it goes back to the ring mode. And that's basically a shortcut which you can do that. So if you go to your setting and then under settings, go to sound and vibration, tap on that and you can see three options here again. So that is sound on, and of course you can choose to have your phone vibrate while it's ringing or making sound. And then you have the vibrate mode, that means no sound, just vibration for calls and notification. And then you can completely mute, which will turn off everything. All sounds of the phone and all the vibration are going to be disabled. So guys, these are the two methods through which you can turn on or off the silent mode on your Galaxy S26 series. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.